if k of a is equal a plus 2 and g of a is 4 minus a squared, then which statement is not true? So first statement is g of a minus k of a. So we have to calculate how much is g of a minus k of a. We will substitute g of a by this formula, 4 minus a squared minus we have, and ka of a is a plus 2. Because we have negative sign, we have to write this in parentheses, so it will be a plus 2. So this is equal 4 minus a squared, negative sign before parentheses, so it will be negative a, negative 2, so this is equal, we will start from the highest power, negative a squared, negative a, 4 minus 2, so this is positive 2. So we see that the first statement is not true. Let's see the second. We have k of a plus g of a. So this is equal k of a, this is a plus 2 plus g of a is 4 minus a squared. Because we have positive sign before 4 minus a squared, we don't have to write this in parentheses. And now we will rewrite this from the highest power and we combine the like terms. So this is negative a squared plus a, and we have 2 plus 4 is 6. So we see that this is true. The third statement, we have g of a times k of a. So this is equal, g of a is 4 minus a squared. We have to write in parentheses because of this whole expression we have to multiply by the second. So this is a plus 2. Now every expression in the first parenthesis we have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So 4 times a is 4a, 4 times 2 is 8, negative a squared times a, so it will be negative a cubed, negative a squared times 2, so it will be negative 2a squared. Now we will rewrite this from the highest power, so this is negative a cubed. We have next negative 2a squared plus 4a plus 8. And we see that the third statement is also not true. And the last, we have k of a over g of a. K of a is a plus 2 and g of a is 4 minus a squared. So this is equal, a plus 2 we will rewrite, and 4 minus a we can rewrite 4 that this is 2 to second power minus a squared. So we have here difference of squares. So this is equal a plus 2 over, and we will use here the formula that x squared minus y squared, this is equal x minus y times x plus y. In our example, x is equal 2 and y is equal a. So we have that this is equal, numerator we will rewrite, and in denominator we will have 2 minus a times 2 plus a. So this is equal, a plus 2 we can rewrite, we have 2 minus a and 2 plus a, so we can rewrite that this is a plus 2. And now because we have multiplication, we can reduce a plus 2, so it will be 1, 1. So we have that this is equal 1 over 2 minus a. What else we can do? Because we have here a first minus 2, so I will factorize negative 1 in the denominator. Numerator will be 1, we copy negative 1, and now I will have negative 2 plus a. Negative 1 times negative 2 will be 2, the same. Negative 1 times a, negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. Negative 1 times a will be negative a. So still is the same. And we have positive and negative, so I will write this negative sign in the numerator, and in parentheses we have in the numerator only, we have negative 2 plus a. So I will write first a and next negative 2. And of course we don't have to write this parenthesis, so we have negative 1 over a minus 2. We got the same expression which we have given, negative 1 over a minus 2. So the fourth expression statement is also true. Only the first and the third is not true. So our solution is 1 and third statement.